Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Twitter videos are not playing. So when you are in Twitter and your videos on Twitter are just not playing, so there is a really easy way to fix this. So what we are going to do is, you have to firstly open up the Twitter application and then tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner. Tap on this settings and support and click on this settings and privacy. Here what you have to do is, you just have to click on this accessibility and display, and then we have to tap on this data usage, the last option. And when you are here, as you can see these options: images, video and data sync. So in the video section you can see this high quality video. If you tap on it, as you can see there is an option selected Wi-Fi only, so you have to tap on this mobile data and Wi-Fi. Again, the second option, high quality video uploads, you have to tap on this again, mobile data and Wi-Fi. And the third option, video autoplay, click on that. Again you have to select the first option, mobile data and Wi-Fi, and after this your videos will be played on Twitter. So this will fix your issue if your Twitter videos are not playing because you just made these settings. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.